Hello friends, today I am going to unbox Sony Microvolt USM 32GB pen drive. I had brought it from flipkart.com. Here you can see the QR code and the barcode. You can scan the QR code on your phone and can get total details about the product. It is tightly packed in thick polythene casing so that water and may not damage the product. Here you can see the brand name Flipkart, and here you can see the barcode and it is written SB1. The packet is also very nice and very stylish, as you can see, and on this side you can see the logo of Flipkart, and here you can see there are other details about the product. The offer price of the flash drive is rupees 398 INR and I got it for rupees 398 INR. I have taken out my pair of scissors and now I am going to rip it open. Here I am cutting it through, as you can see. Here I am cutting it a little bit more. It is very tightly sealed from all sides so that any water or dust contents may not damage the product. And here it is almost done, as you can see. And this is the packet. I have opened the packet. It is also packed in polythene foam, and here you can see the pen drive, black in color, and this is the bill which is sent by Flipkart. And here I have kept aside the bill, and here it is written Sony, and on this back side you can see there are other details about the product. It is written USM 32M1B3. It has a capacity of 32 GB, and there are other details about the product. It is compatible with Windows 7 and above, and there are other details, and here you can see the brand name Sony. The product is very nice and very stylish. It has a capacity of 32 GB. Here you can see the barcode, and here you can see it is written W50960, and there are other details about the product. And on this side you can see it is also compatible OS. And now I am going to cut the packet, and here I have taken out my pair of scissors and now I am cutting it through. As you can see, the Sony Microvolt USM 32GB classic flash drive has a stylish and compact design, and black body surface creates a simple and stylish look with extra large strap hole for easy attachment. And here I am taking it out. As you can see, this is the pen drive. It is manufactured by Sony. It is black in color, as you can see, and it has a large strap hole for easy attachment. As you can see here, it is also very nice and very stylish. And here I am taking it out from the polythene, and the polythene is also very hard. And here you can see this is the pen drive, and it is manufactured by Sony. And here, as you can see, it has a capacity of 32 GB. The high capacity of the drive accommodates your favorite media files with other important files and folders. It has a storage capacity of 32 GB. Now, as you can see, I am going to insert the pen drive in the CPU, and here I am inserting it. You have just to plug in, and it will directly plug in and play. You have just to insert it, and here I have inserted the pen drive, and here a folder has come up, as you can see on the screen. And here, as you can see, I have clicked on computer, and here on the screen you can see it is written Sony 32MI, and it has a free space of 28.8 GB, and rest is used for the hardware, as you can see. And here, as you can see, I have clicked on it, and here there are other things. As you can see, the device is very good, very nice. And here I have clicked on properties, and there are properties: general, tools, hardware, sharing, ready boost, to file system. The type is removable disk, and the used space you can see it is 16K, space is 28.8 GB, and the rest is used for hardware. And here I have clicked on tools, as you can see, and there are different properties: error checking, defragmentation, backup, and you can click on different options whatever you want to do. If you want to defragment or backup, there are different options. And here I have clicked on hardware, as you can see, and here you can see Sony storage media USB device, disk drive, and here there are device properties, manufacturer, location, and device status. The device is working properly, and here there are other things. And as you can see, now I have clicked on sharing and network file and folder sharing, and it is not shared. And here I have clicked the boost, as you can see, and there are different options. And here I have clicked on different option, use this device, and here you can also click on different options as required. And I have clicked on ready boost, and here as you can see the space free is 28.8 GB and the rest is used for hardware. And here as you can see the used space, and here there is free space, as you can see. And here I have clicked on customize. You can customize your options. There are different options: general and other options, documents, pictures, musics, and videos, and you can choose whatever you want to do. And these are different options which can be used. Now I have clicked on general items, and you can also apply this template to all folders or choose a file to show this folder icon. And here as you can see I have backed it, and now I have clicked on my pictures, as you can see. And here there are two things, and here I have clicked on downloads, and this is music, no music. And here I have backed it, and here you can choose whatever you want to do. And here as you can see I've clicked on my computer, and as you can see you can do whatever you want to do. You can store your all your music and data files and other different things. And here I have again clicked on customize. You can restore default, and here I have clicked on restore default, as you can see. And you have to apply and click on OK. And here as you can see I'm clicking on apply and then OK, and here I've closed it. It has a new simple and stylish model with retractable USB connector. The high-speed USB 2.0 device allows to transfer files and documents from one device to another. You have just to plug in and play. This is a standard, and no 32GB flash drive can give the same space. As to update the firmware, same space is consumed. The main feature of the microvolt in Sony PenDrive is that the device driver is automatically installed. The Sony microvolt is formatted with an exclusive software to the best performance with high speed data transfer rate. It is pretty fast and very much and easily recognized by most computers, and it is automatically recognized by laptops and computers when required. You have just to plug in and play. The power will be supplied through the USB port, so you do not need an AC adapter. Sony Microvolt USB flash drive offer an unique piece of design with direct USB plug-in. File Rescue downloadable software helps to recover files that have been accidentally deleted. So you have the total protection. It has a file and FAT32 file system. You can use the microvolt with Windows 7 and higher. It is also compatible with Mac OS and also greater. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.